How to fix Microsoft Designer keyboard not pairing in Windows. The Hardware and Device Troubleshooter is another built-in tool in Windows that specifically targets issues related to hardware components and connected devices. If that didn't work, sometimes the function Fn key can interfere with certain keyboard operations. Disabling it can sometimes restore normal keyboard functionality. If that didn't work, pairing devices can be tricky, especially if not done correctly. Ensuring a proper pairing process can eliminate connectivity issues. The Mouse and Keyboard Center app is a software solution provided by Microsoft, designed specifically to help users manage and customize Microsoft mice and keyboards. Using this application can sometimes resolve connection issues or allow you to diagnose problems with your Microsoft Designer keyboard.